Too much to do, not enough time. We are going to fix that here and now, because the issue is not having enough time. The real challenge is how we are using the time that is available to us each day. Because you and I have the same 24 hours a day. Every other person in this world has the same 24 hours a day. The difference is the actions that we take and that we do not take. Think about it. Wherever you are in life right now is a summary of actions that you've taken. If you had taken different actions in your life, you'd be in a different place, for better or worse. True or false? And I would add another big challenge is to say no, because we all want to be good corporate citizens, caring parents, loving family members, supportive friends. And we say yes to so many new projects and opportunities. We are not so good at saying no to things that don't really serve us for those very same reasons. This all completely changes when we look at our life through different lenses. We only have three things in life that really matter. One is time, which is finite. You and I, again, have the same amount of time during each day. We do not know how long we're going to live, when it's our time to go. That's up to something else or someone else. But our time is finite and our job is to use it well. The second thing that really matters in life are our talents, either born with or those that we have acquired. And third, our treasures. And those are family members, friends, fans, followers, clients. And our job in life is to use our talents in the time that was given to us to grow our treasures. And here is a decision-making model that I wanted to share with you that you can use to say no with absolute certainty and clarity. And here it is. The three things in life that really matter are time, talents, and treasures. And when all three overlap, so if somebody comes with a project where we believe that we can use all of our talents to serve our treasures in the time that is available to us, we say yes. And when it comes to time, sometimes we need to decide whether or not we want results fast or if it's a long-term project. But the question is this activity a best use of my time? Will it give me intrinsic or extrinsic value in the foreseeable future or within a time frame that matters to me? So if the answer is yes to all of those questions, very easy, we just say yes. But if there's only a partial overlap, it's a no, and a no, and a no. If there's no overlap, it's a no, a no, a no. And if it's outside of that zone totally, it's a no, it's a no, it's a no. So there's really only one scenario where we say yes. What I want you to do is to use this model from now on out. Make a decision. What's the time frame that's good for you? Can you use all your talents and will it grow your treasures? And then you say yes. Other than that, you say no. Go and get on the no train right now.